Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious salad dip. We will start with the foundational elements that give your dip its incredible taste and texture. First, choose a creamy base, like Greek yogurt or mayonnaise, about 1 cup. Then, incorporate fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives, roughly 2 tablespoons. A squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, adds brightness. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor variations to elevate your salad dip. For a classic ranch, mix in 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and dried dill. If you prefer a creamy Caesar, add 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. For a spicy kick, combine 2 tablespoons of sriracha with the juice of 1 lime and a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Don't be afraid to get creative. Achieving the perfect consistency and flavor balance is key to a great dip. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a 2-to-1 ratio of your creamy base to other flavorful additions. Ensure all fresh ingredients are finely chopped, about 1/8 of an inch, for even distribution. Gently fold everything together to maintain that smooth, creamy texture. Most importantly, let your dip chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even an hour, allowing all those wonderful flavors to fully meld. Once your delicious salad dip is ready, it's time to enjoy it. Serve it alongside a colorful array of fresh vegetable sticks, crispy crackers, or warm pita bread. It also works wonderfully as a vibrant dressing for your favorite green salads or as a flavorful spread for sandwiches and wraps. To keep it fresh, store any leftover dip in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to give it a quick taste and adjust seasonings before serving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.